Congratulations, Kiking. Kuya Kiking. He is the son of my brother, my second brother. Even you are in the number 29, at least you are doing your best. At there are a lot, there are too much. At least you are in the number 29. You are still in the honor roll for the second half of the first semester. He is already in the senior high, and this year he started already to enroll in the college. At least he is in the top. It's including pa rin in the list, in the dance list, so at least, okay. That is my niece. Okay, congrats. I'm proud of you as your mommy tita. The important that you are including in the dance list. You are doing your best. Okay. I'm very happy na. And still supported to you. Si Mami Tata. Diba? Congrats too much. Congrats talaga. Congrats, keep it up. And good luck for your life of the college life. I don't know what university you are, or I don't know. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all subscribers of mine. Thank you to all supporters in my YouTube channel. And thank you very much. Ayan, she's Thank you, Kuya Kiking. Congrats, Kuya Kiking. Congrats. I'm proud of you. Thank you very much. Keep it up more. And God bless us all. It's my favorite. My tita, si Mami Tita. Thank you again. Thank you. Keep safe more. Proud parents. Proud mommy and daddy. Very proud. Congrats to my brother and to my sister-in-law. Congrats and bye.